Hey guys, so this is how to reactivate your Messenger account. So if you've deactivated your Messenger account for any kind of privacy concern, or if you want to take a break, you might just want to bring it back. So in order to do this, just open up Messenger, and all you need to do is just sign into your account. Just enter your mobile number or email and your password and just click on login. But what if you don't remember your password? There is another way to open up your Messenger account or reactivate your Messenger account. And in order to do this, you would have to have your Instagram and Facebook accounts linked. So just go back to Instagram and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the hamburger icon at the top right. And then click on Account Center, Profiles, and then select your Facebook profile. As you see, it says deactivated, so just click on it. And then you can click on Reactivate. And now your Facebook profile is reactivated, and with it, your Messenger as well. So now if I try to go back to Messenger, I'll be logged in. So yeah, this is how easy it is. Hope that video is helpful.